Most business owners know that video can help their business, but they don't know how. They invest in one flashy video and hope for the best. But what if I told you that there are 5 types of videos that, when used together, can dramatically increase trust, shorten your sales cycle, and turn cold leads into warm buyers? And here's the twist. Some of the most effective videos are actually the least sexy. Stick with me because I'm going to walk you through the 5 videos that every business should have, plus a special bonus video, and why each one matters. I'm Colin from Chromatic Digital Cinema. We help businesses use high-quality video to solve real problems, like growing sales, building trust, training teams, and creating content that keeps working long after the camera shuts off. All right, now on to the 5 videos that every business needs. Number 1, the brand SIZZLE film. This is your story told with style. Think of it as your handshake video, the first impression you make with new prospects. It answers 3 essential questions. Who are you? What do you do? And how do you help people? But here's the key. This video isn't about you. It's about how you solve the viewer's problem. It's cinematic, it's emotional, and it's designed to build trust fast. You want people to finish watching and think, I get these guys, and I think they get me too. Video number 2, the video business card. Sales teams are stuck saying the same thing 20 times a day. Why not say it once, perfectly, and let video scale it for you? A video business card is a personal, on-camera intro from you or your sales team. It builds rapport, explains your offer, and handles objections before the first call. Now, every prospect starts warm because they've already seen your face, heard your voice, and know what you're all about. It's your best salesperson working for you 24/7. Video number 3, the testimonial video. Prospects don't believe you. They believe people like them. So, put your happy clients on camera. But don't have them just saying, they were great. Your testimonial should walk through the journey. Pain, solution, result. For example, we were drowning in manual onboarding. After working with you, we had a polished training video that cut our ramp-up time in half. That's the kind of social proof that builds trust fast. Video number 4, the product or service overview. This is your show and tell. Not everyone is ready to hop on a call. Some people want to learn on their own. A product overview or demo video helps your prospect understand the offer visually. It's especially useful for complex, expensive, or high consideration products. Done right, this video acts like a commercial and a tutorial. It removes friction and boosts confidence before a client purchases. Number 5, the process or training video. This one isn't always public, but it's powerful. A good process video can train new employees, walk customers through onboarding, pre-frame how to buy or apply, or simply make your internal systems more efficient. Video isn't just a marketing tool, it's an operations tool. You're not just scaling sales, you're scaling your whole business. All right, now for that bonus video that I was talking about that every business should have, the culture video. Hiring is tough, and resumes don't always show if someone will fit in with your culture. A culture video shows people what it's really like to work with you. It helps you attract better talent and filter out the wrong fit before they apply. You're not just selling to clients, you're selling to future team members too. So, if you want to stop guessing at what video to make next, use this list. Start with one, then build from there. And if you want help turning these ideas into strategic, high-converting assets, let's talk. Book a strategy call at chromaticdc.com and we'll walk you through everything you need to know. Your next best video might not be the flashiest one. It might just be the one that works. Thanks for watching. See you next time.